I'll tell you another tip. It turns out that everyone remembers things better in the visual modality. I don't care if you tell me you're an auditory learner, you will remember things better visual, or even better than visual alone, in both visual and auditory. So if you're trying to learn information, if you can generate an image, whether it's an image you find somewhere or one you create in your mind, in addition to any verbal or auditory information, that's the best way to remember.
That's, I think, the way the Greek tried to remember their...
Absolutely right. So they developed the method of loci, where they would have different parts of a speech that they were trying to remember, or other information that they're trying to remember. They would put a different part of that in each room of their house, and even in each sort of sub-region. So if your living room has a couple of chairs, a sofa, a sideboard, a lamp, a plant, you can imagine putting like a different grocery item on each part. And then when you go to the grocery store and you want to remember your grocery list, you simply walk through your house and you can retrieve all the grocery items. It really works.